Hey everyone, my name is Matthew and it's the season of online videos. Everybody is online right now, and if you weren't a social media user before, you most probably are one right now. With that in mind, I'd like to give you 2 ways that you could improve your video recordings even just on smartphones. Now this has been working for us, especially for our church, as we've been recording videos just on smartphones in individual homes. So it may work for you, it may not. By no means is this the only way to do it, it's just one of the ways that has really helped us. Number 1, audio. When you're shooting a video, you're most likely not shooting it really close up unless you're shooting a portrait video. But if you're shooting a video that's to be posted online, most likely you're going to shoot it in landscape and somebody is going to record it for you from a distance. The distance from the person recording the video and the person speaking can introduce lots of room noise, reverb, and that would make the audio a little bit difficult to understand and generally unpleasant to listen to after a long time. So what we did was to record our audio and video separately by using 2 smartphones. All you have to do is use one smartphone to record the video and the other smartphone record the audio, and you could bring that smartphone as close as possible. In that way you could record the best quality possible of the person's voice without having to move the person really close to the video. This is a test to show you the difference when audio is being recorded separately on a phone that is close up to the speaker. Just something to remember, the microphone has to be pointing towards the person speaking, because if we put it behind the person or hidden and not directly facing the person speaking, it goes back to the first problem again of not having good audio quality. Number 2, lighting. I know not all of us have our own lights at home for video recordings, but we all, I'm sure, have a window. At least I hope you have a window. Face your window and let the light come in. You could have it coming on from the side, so you could have a little bit of contrast in your image, or you could have a flat image with the video with the light coming through directly right in front of you. Unless you're purposely wanting to be overexposed, try not to record with the window behind you, because of the amount of light that's coming from behind. It could underexpose you and you could either be really dark, or it would brighten you up and then burn out the background so you look like you're already in heaven. The reason why we want to use a natural light source or a external light source rather than just increasing the ISO or brightness on our phone's camera is because as you increase the brightness or the ISO on your smartphone, it introduces lots of noise and you could realize that your footage becomes grainy and just doesn't look really clear. When you're shooting with an external light source or light from the sun, the phone doesn't have to increase its ISO and therefore you'd have a much clearer video of yourself. So these are just 2 ways that you could really improve your video recording quality. If you need to know more about how to synchronize the audio and video after you've done recording it, please feel free to send me a message and I'll be more than happy to help you. So that's it. Thank you for watching and have a great day or night.